Plow Networks TenantDetective uses a proprietary set of algorithms to analyze your company's Microsoft 365 usage data and provide recommendations on how to reduce your spending. With this analysis, we help organizations significantly reduce their Microsoft 365 spending by eliminating unused licenses and rationalizing the subscriptions of over-licensed users. Before we can prepare an analysis, your organization must explicitly grant us read-only access to your Microsoft tenant. You are free to revoke this access at any time, and we will disable our access after 30 days unless you tell us to maintain it. Next, disable the default setting to hide user information on reports in your tenant. The default setting in Microsoft 365 is to obscure usernames in usage reporting. For us to generate your optimization report, we need you to disable this so we can properly ingest and align the data. After that, you can sit back and relax while our proprietary set of algorithms analyze your usage data. Our algorithm will analyze your Microsoft 365 usage data and provide recommendations on how to optimize your subscription purchases. Finally, once the analysis is complete, you will be able to view our summary recommendations on how to reduce your Microsoft 365 costs. You will see the impact that eliminating unused licenses and rationalizing the subscriptions of over-licensed users can have on your monthly spend. Want to see your full report where you can see our granular recommendations? Fill out this brief form and a member of our team will be in touch soon to schedule a time to review the results with you.